Okay, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I've not been making videos for a while now. Very quickly, I want to make this video just to show you guys how to permanently delete an unwanted business manager. Some of you have been having issue and you have your business managers already looking awkward, and you want to delete some business managers that you mistakenly created. So this is how to go through that. So come to your type in business.facebook.com on your URL, and it will take you to the business page, or better still, come here and type business manager. So the first option it brings up, the first query it brings up, that is what you will be selecting. That is what you'll be selecting. Okay, so you can see this particular manager, this is some sort of part of the management. Let me show you the full part. So here you go. So this is the business manager. Don't forget, look at the URL, type business.facebook.com, select, and you would get your business manager. So you want to select a particular portion of the manager, or you want to delete some of the one of the managers. So you can see, let me just show you. I'll delete one and show you how to delete the others. So you can come here, select the business manager. So let's say I want to delete this first one. I've clicked on it. Once it opens up, okay, it's loading. So once it opens up, you come down to where is it now? Okay, so then you click on business info. Once you click on business info, then you can see the option here, permanently delete this business. So once you click on permanently delete this business, it's going to delete everything. It isn't what I expected. It is hard to, so you give the reason why you are deleting it. I want to manage my Facebook, my pages and other account for my personal account. So whatever reason it is why you're deleting, you can add it there and let Facebook know the reason. It isn't what I expected. So click on next. Once you schedule Abisola for this, it can be accessed. All pages, accounts, and tools added to this business will return to their original owner or be deleted and be deleted in 24 hours. So you click on next and you put in your password. And then you click on submit. Okay, the password I inserted was wrong. So I still have the wrong password. So once you click on insert your password and you click on delete, the whole thing would be cleared. Okay, so here you go, it has been deleted. Business has been scheduled for deleting. Done. So in the next 24 hours, this particular business would be deleted permanently. So if you want to select, you can just come here. If this is what you are showing, once you click on when you click on business.facebook.com, so you just come here to select the business account exactly that you want to delete. Do you understand? Come here and select the business account that you want to delete. And this one is already scheduled for deleting. It's going to be deleted as soon as possible. So every other thing would be deleted as time goes on. I hope you understand. So kindly make sure you subscribe to this channel if you want to enjoy seeing videos like this that will help your Facebook ad to become better and to help you generate more leads. Thank you very much. Hope to see you in the next video.